how we can use the periodic table to come up with the valence electron configuration. First, start by finding your element on the periodic table. Then look all the way to the left to the period number. That number will tell you the energy level of the valence electrons. So for iodine, the valence electrons are in the 5th energy level. Our configuration will start with 5. In this next part, we're going to use the periodic table to count, and we're going to count spaces until we get to our element over at the right. So starting at the far left, we will count in the S block 1, 2. This means that there are 2 electrons in the S orbital of the 5th energy level. We will add this part to our electron configuration. We are not finished because we are not to our element symbol, iodine, yet. So we're going to continue counting in the P block until we reach the iodine symbol. Notice I started over at 1 when I counted. That's because these 5 represent electrons in the p orbitals now. So now I know that in the 5th energy level, I'm still in the same row. In the p orbitals, iodine has 5 electrons. I will add this to my configuration. Lastly, I want to determine how many total valence electrons iodine has. And when I do this, it doesn't matter whether they're S's or P's. I need to look at the highest energy level that iodine has electrons in, and we already decided that was the 5th energy level. I need to count all of the electrons that are in the 5th energy level. So I do add up the 2 that are in the S plus the 5 that are in the P, and that gives me a total of 7 valence electrons.